Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 8880. This form is used to claim the Retirement Savings Contributions Credit, often called the Saver's Credit. It's designed to help eligible individuals save for retirement by providing a tax credit for contributions made to an IRA, 401(k), or other qualified retirement plans. This credit can reduce your tax liability dollar for dollar, making retirement savings more accessible. To be eligible for the Saver's Credit, your adjusted gross income, or AGI, must fall within specific limits, which vary based on your filing status. You must also be at least 18 years old, not a student, and not claimed as a dependent on someone else's return. The credit applies to contributions made to various retirement accounts, including IRAs and 401(k)s, up to a maximum of $2,000 for individuals. Calculating your credit involves multiplying your qualified retirement contributions by a specific rate, 50%, 20%, or 10%. This rate depends on your adjusted gross income and filing status. For example, if you contributed $2,000 and qualify for the 50% rate, your credit would be $1,000. Remember, the maximum contribution amount considered is $2,000 for individuals. To complete Form 8880, you'll start by entering your total qualified retirement contributions on line 1. Then, you'll follow the form's instructions to determine your applicable credit rate and calculate the final credit amount. Once calculated, this credit is transferred to your main tax return, typically Schedule 3, to reduce your overall tax liability. Keep accurate records of all your contributions for future reference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.